Going to be working on a bit of a project here. I've got my little computer set up running through this router right here. It's basically an 8-port Cisco Systems router, and I'm about to run an extension for hooking up 3 more computers. Actually, I'm going to have to do it up in the attic because this one's pretty much maxed out with the computers that I have here in my home office. So I'll basically be running this cable up through the wall and into the attic, and I'll be connecting up my TV so I can still use it as a monitor and hook it to that computer, running a Cat5 cable through the wall. And so I'll be doing that one, as well as my spare bedroom here, connecting this big 52-inch TV up and running another cable through the wall coming out in that corner there through that little faceplate with the hole in it, and then one more cable running into my other bedroom, but I'll show you that later. So I'll run up to the attic and show you what exactly I'm going to be doing here. Alright, so basically I've already got some holes drilled here. We're just going to be running cable. This is where the cable will be coming up, and then I'll be running it up this pole here to this switch, and I've already got a plug for it right here, but that's actually attached to my light switch, so when I turn the lights off up here, this switch or this plug is not active, so I'm gonna have to connect in to here so I can have a dedicated outlet for the switch to power the lines, basically running one line towards the front again up there, but yeah, running all my lines from here. And one will go from the router up to this one right here, and then I've got 4 ports, so I'll be able to connect in up here and run my lines to all my TVs and basically computers to have internet access in each room. Some may ask why I'm not just going wireless. Yeah, that'd be easy, but the issues I've had in the past, they are difficult to secure. I've had issues where I thought they were secure and they were not, and you know, somebody cracking into my network or whatever is stealing my resources is not what not what I plan to do, so to speak. So this is simply just connecting them hardwired and running, again, just running my dedicated cables to each room. So I'll show you the completed project when we're done. This will be run, these are both 50-foot coils, 3 of them here. Make sure I have enough. This one I'll run to the big 55-inch TV in the living room, and then the 2 50-foot rolls that are blue I'll run to each bedroom. So those will be my dedicated lines, and connect them up. So we'll check it out here in a minute. And here's the cable run for the other 52-inch TV. Ran it through the existing hole here. The excess blue cable, I'm going to have to hide that, but you know, these things are kind of strewn everywhere right now. But yeah, and just connect it to the, yeah, there it is, connect to the back of the TV there with the monitor. So yeah, it wasn't too tough to run. I've got plans to put a wall mount here. I had a wall mount for a big tube TV at one time, but I've since removed it for this big screen. But eventually I like to go back maybe to a 42-inch and put the mount there, so I have the TV back on the wall and open up this space for some more room. But yeah, this worked out pretty good. And this is the other bedroom TV. And computer is down here. I got to find a place for it, but ran the connection through behind the TV there, and of course I had to use unfortunately, I had to use a older, yeah, I can't see it there, older VGA cable, because all the others I have were just not long enough. But yep, now we got internet access to all 3 computers, so the project is pretty much complete down here. So yeah, I'll show you what we did upstairs. Alright, back up in the attic. So here's the main cable from down my existing router, and then the 3 connecting cables. The blue one's to the bedrooms, the white one to the family room. And we are powered. We ran the plug and just connected it into the junction box right there. So we've got constant power. Summertime, I'm concerned that this thing might get too hot and start to fail, so I'm going to have to probably figure out something for ventilation up here eventually, because that thing could die on me, and then I'd have to replace it, which not too expensive, but I don't want to be doing this every summer. So, but yep, project's complete and it's working perfectly. And I didn't get the front TV here, but this is where we ran it, behind the wall here, and the computer is over there where it got a coil connected. Yeah, wasn't too difficult, just use existing holes from the wires, and instead of having a cable on the floor like I used to have, now I've got it up in the wall and out of the way and not a trip hazard, but just have the computer hidden over there, so I'm able to go online and either here or any of the bedrooms, so make it easy. Basically, total, for those curious, I've run a home office here, so I've already got with all these 3 added to my system. I got 3 in the front room, 2 in the living room, 2 in the dining room, 1 in the bedroom, 1 in the other bedroom, plus my laptop, and a security system. I've got a total of 11 computers running here, so yeah, I pretty much got plenty, don't need much more, but just again, the convenience of having the internet in any of the rooms. It's the main reason I did this.